Just out in the bush at the moment, running a few tracks up in the top end of Cape York. And mate, did you know that Uniden, and I'm actually filming on it right now, did you know that Uniden had this cool little smart dash cam camera? Now, the beauty of this thing, not only does it record forward, okay, so forward, rear, and also it records in car. So as you can see, I'm in car now. Now this thing, that's why it's called a smart dash cam. So not only is it like that sort of crash cam recording type device, but it's also perfect for being out on a little adventure in your four-wheel drive, because you could record the events of what you get up to all day, including what's in the cab, what's forward facing, and what's out the back. Now, it's also 4K Ultra HD. So the advantage of that is, mate, the picture is clean and crisp. You could film your entire adventure to Cape York with just one little 40R from Uniden. How cool is that? Mate, before you go away on your next adventure, check them out, because I'll tell you what, you could show your friends and your family what you got up to in Cape York.